506. Some balcony.
Yes. In all the rooms, you have this kind of double window where you open it and you have all the Duomo view where you can also sit here. So also here we have many amenities, and important thing, you cannot hear the noise because everything is super thick. Here we have the coffee station with the lavazza one. This complimentary, and then here we have the minibar. This wall is mirrors, and then we have the locker and the closet.
So similar like in plane.
Yes, but in summer are bigger. Oh, sorry. This one is the bathroom that is very big. You have the Gucci part, the sink, and the shower. We have occupancy, occupancy Milano. That is a brand very, very famous in Milan.